Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Joe S for Joe S Media and welcome you back to my channel. This is a filmmaking channel that helps you become a profitable filmmaker. Not just a filmmaker, but a profitable one. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts in Premiere Pro CC. Before you begin the video, make sure you like my video, you subscribe to my channel because I'm dropping a brand new video every week. Follow me on Instagram, and without any further ado, let's do the intro. Alright, let's get the show on the road. When you go into Premiere Pro, I'm currently using Premiere Pro CC 2019. You come to edit up here and then you click on it. You come down here to keyboard shortcuts and then you click on it. After that, you type in the keyboard shortcut that you want to create. As you know, in Premiere Pro, you can't be able to view your videos that you are editing in full screen without a shortcut. And today I want to create that shortcut. So I come here and then I type in toggle full screen, even if I don't complete it because it is already there. So you come here and then you click on the current shortcut. There is an X. You click on it to delete it. You click in the space and then you type in the shortcut that you want. For example, let me use Ctrl Plus for my shortcut. After there, you press OK. So you come to your timeline and then you press Ctrl Plus because that is the keyboard shortcut that I created. As you can see, I can also play back my videos in full screen so that I can see my final product without exporting my videos. Thank you guys for watching my video. This has been my first video on YouTube. I'm really guys encouraging you to subscribe to my channel because I'm dropping a brand new video every Friday. Please follow me on Instagram, and without any further ado, I will see you in the next video.